This is Realme 11. In this video, let's test how this 108 megapixel camera performs in different conditions, followed by any heating issues, app interface, features, settings. There is a lot of interesting and useful things you are going to see. First things first, let's have a look at the camera. On the back, the main one is a 108 megapixel with an aperture of f1.75. The second one is a 2 megapixel portrait camera with an aperture of f2.4. On the front, it's a 16 megapixel camera with an aperture value of f2.45. Starting with the photos, from the back you can click amazing photos in natural lighting conditions. You can click the same photo in 1x or lossless 3x also. Look at the samples that I shot on this mobile in both 1x and 3x. Also, you can zoom up to 20x while clicking the photos. Let's see those samples too. Now let's see how the photos comes in daytime indoor conditions with artificial lighting. Up to now, it's going well. Now it's time to check the photo quality in nighttime conditions. In the camera app, there are so many features are available, like adding filters to the photos, changing the aspect ratio that you wanted, self timer, AI enhancer, retouch filter, etc. Personally, what I think is majority of the users won't use these filters or features. Just they take out the mobile, open the camera app and click the spot or thing. That's it. They don't think now I'm clicking a photo so I want to use this filter. Coming to the selfie, during the daytime in outdoor conditions, the photos looks like this. During indoor conditions with artificial lighting, the photos looks like this. Also, there is a screen flash option is there that looks like this. There is no zooming option is there for the front camera, it's fixed. Also, in the camera app, there are so many filters and add-ons are there for the front camera. You can tweak the options like the skin texture, cheek size, eyes, nose, and some more. These options work in real time before clicking the photo. I personally like to click the original photos of what our eyes are seeing. In the camera app, you can tweak some settings like adding a custom watermark with your name. Grid and guides are available that help in using the camera. A level adjustment is also there which assists you in leveling at exactly 0 degrees while taking photos and videos. That results in no tilt or wrong angle photos and videos. You can add location tags if you want to remember the places after some days. There are so many options are there apart from this, and one option I personally like is this shooting method. You can tap on the screen anywhere to click the photo. It works for both front and back cameras. Another option that only works for front camera is show palm. You can show your hand to the camera and it automatically starts a self timer and clicks the photo. Like this, there are so many options are available. There is a dedicated street photography option is also there, and I didn't find any differences between the normal photo and this one. In normal, whatever you get if you zoom to 3x, the same you will get here also. By the way, there are some extra options are available like automatic zoom and focus controller. But apart from these, I didn't find any of the differences. This mode works only with the back cameras. The portrait mode option is also there. Here are some photo samples in daytime. Now coming to the video recording, you can record at a maximum of 1080p 30 fps on the front and back camera. This is what the video and audio quality looks like in outdoor and indoor conditions. This is 1080p 30 fps video. The audio you are listening is from the microphone itself. So this is the 1x and I'm simply walking on the terrace, so you can see the stabilization as well as the video quality. So this is 1x actually. If I go for 10x, it looks like this. So this is the maximum zoom you will get, and this is 1x. That's all. Is the video quality by using the front facing camera 1080p 30 fps. The audio you are listening is from the internal microphone. The video quality looks like this and the audio also hears like this. So currently I'm at outside, so you can see and judge how it is adjusting the lighting as well as the video quality. I'm walking, and also you can check the video stabilization too. This is the maximum stretch I can do with my hands. This is the maximum wide you will get from this mobile by using the front facing camera. If you want, you can zoom up to 10x in the videos in the back camera. On the back, you get a 108 megapixel camera. There is a separate option is there to click 108 megapixel photos. So let's check side by side how it looks and some identical and technical details of the photos. Apart from these, there are some more options are available like pro photo mode, pro video mode, panorama mode, slow motion, tilt shift, dual video and text scanner. I like the dual video here because it is good that you can record yourself and show what is going on the backside. This is perfect for those who make shorts or reels. In the gallery app, there are a lot of editing options are available not only for photos but also videos. A dedicated Google Lens option is there to search anything here itself. So overall, the camera verdict is here. This camera is good for taking photos in daytime conditions, both indoors and outdoors. The 108 megapixel photos are good with a lot of details in them, but it consumes more storage. When it comes to videos, the only feature I liked is the dual video mode. Apart from that, the video quality is not up to the mark. For the front camera, it's better to skip this mobile. The photos and videos are looking horrible. There are extra features available in the app, but what is the use of those if the camera hardware specs are not good? Overall, my review is that apart from photos in daytime conditions taken from the back camera, this mobile camera is not good. And by the way, I observed some heating issues while using the camera. It's pretty normal in any mobile. It's just warming up, not overheating. Here is the related video of this mobile that you need to watch after this to get more details apart from the camera.